Hello, today we are going to introduce the trailer house to you. The dimension of this trailer house is the length is 8 meter, the width is 2.4 meter, the height is 4.2 meter. Okay, first we introduce the exterior world to you. The material we use is aluminum magnesium manganese panel. And the roof path, we use antiplastic wood. The door and window, we all use aluminum alloy glass door and window. Okay, please have a look in it. Please follow me. This trailer house is a two-story design. The layout of the first floor is a living room, an open kitchen, and a bathroom in it. The bathroom will consist shower, sink, and toilet. There will be a window in the toilet and a ceiling light. This way we can place a cabinet here. The exterior wall, we all use solar wood, and the walls path is white. The roof path is yellow. There consists two ceiling lights on it. This is the staircase. The staircase can storage the wood unit. And now, please follow me to go to the loft. The loft could place a bed and a cabinet, which is suitable for 1 to 2 people to have a rest here. There is a ceiling light on the top. Windows on the loft. The cabinet here can also storage personal goods. If you are interested in this trailer house, please contact me. We support, customize, and we provide furniture. Bye bye.